Hello friends, how are you all? My today's topic of discussion is accounting cycle. What is accounting cycle? Friends, there are a few steps or procedures through which the accounting cycle goes. Now, what is the first or basic process or procedure in the accounting cycle? First of all, in every business an accounting transaction takes place or accounting transaction takes place. So first step is transaction. Now, what is transaction? A transaction is it is a sort of dealing between two parties or more, or an act of exchanging monetary or financial positions is called transaction. Now friends, here we have a word monetary. What is monetary? It means anything in which currency or money of any sort is involved is called monetary. So first step in accounting cycle is transaction. Our transaction is basically a change financial position. ठीक है? It is basically a change of financial position between two parties. When two parties are engaged in exchange of anything of value that has some monetary value, means that has some currency or money value. So the second step in accounting transaction is journal or journalizing. So what is journal or journalizing? We can say it is an act of recording transactions, accounting transactions in books of accounts or books of original entry. What is books of original entry? Books of original entry means journal. Journal is a sort of you can say it's a sort of register on which you record transaction on daily basis. So it is second process or step in accounting cycle. First of all, transaction takes place, then the transaction is recorded in journal or it is journalized. Third process in accounting cycle is ledger. Sorry, it is posting. Now the third process or step in accounting cycle is posting. What is posting? Posting means transferring each journal entry from journal to ledger of same nature. In order to understand this, I will say that After first of all any transaction takes place, it is recorded in journal. After journal, it is posting to ledger. What is ledger? A ledger is a sort of an account. It is a particular account in which you record transaction of similar nature, of same nature. But in journal, you record all the transaction of any type of account. Whenever it happens, you record it in journal. Then the transaction of similar nature, you post it to the ledger. Okay. The fourth step in accounting cycle is summarizing. In this process, or in this step, you make a summary of all accounts. It means trial balance. Fifth and the last step in accounting cycle is final accounts. In this process, all accounts are closed except real accounts. You process all necessary steps to make results. In this step or final accounts, all the accounts are closed except real accounts. Now what is mean by a real account? All those accounts whose uh, rights or ownership can be transferred from one year to another year is called real account. And another case, we have a nominal account. Nominal account is an account which is closed at the end of every accounting period. So accounting cycle process consists of 5 steps. First one is transaction takes place, then this transaction is recorded in journal. It is called journalizing. Third step is each entry from journal is posted to the account of similar nature. This act of posting is called posting. The four After posting, summary of all the accounts is prepared. The summary at the end is called trial balance. After trial balance, final accounts is processed, and the financial position of the business is assessed. Thank you very much.